What's something people don't know about the iPhone 16? It's not just about the bigger screen. So you're stuck between the iPhone 15 and the shiny new iPhone 16. First up, battery life. The iPhone 16 boasts a 20% longer battery life, perfect for all those late-night TikTok binges. Next, the camera. The 16 packs in an upgraded triple-lens setup that'll make your Instagram pics pop like never before. Say goodbye to blurry selfies. And let's talk speed. The new A18 chip makes the iPhone 16 a speed demon. Apps load faster, games run smoother, and multitasking is a breeze. But is it worth the upgrade? If you love the latest tech and need that extra battery life, go for it. If not, the iPhone 15 is still a powerhouse. So what's it gonna be? The trusty 15 or the dazzling 16? Happy upgrading!